Hey everyone, this is Emily and this is Emmylou Arts. And today I just wanted to hop on, stamping, and show you guys what I've been doing in my journal lately. It's only a few more pages than what you haven't seen, but I've just been feeling like I've been having so much fun in my journal lately. And I know I've gotten some messages from you guys like I've been stuck in a rut and I'm just feeling inspired now. And so if seeing what, just more ideas helps, then I love to do that. I love to share that. So I just thought I'd hop on real quick before I get ready for work, and maybe just jog your memory of things that you haven't been thinking about. So where did we leave off? Wake is very lively. I showed you guys this and playing on the slide, and then the distance that I was supposed to run, die cuts. Don't forget your art supplies. If you get into journaling, sometimes I feel like you forget that you have all these art supplies that you used to use, like stamps and stencils and die cuts, things that you would use for, scrapbooking, stuff like that. We can use those in our journal, so I don't want to forget about that. And then stickers and washi tape. They all can, I feel like, tell a story, come together to tell a story. So we saw that we journaled this, the pool, and I like to use those stickers from the American Crafts and Paige Evans, and then the Journal Studio crepe paper sticker books. And so that's what this was. I know we talked all about this in that journaling one. The dinosaur bum. I stuck a picture of my son and I playing on there. I can't remember if that was there when we journaled or if I stuck that in after. But we had gone to Target and did some shopping and stuff, so I journaled kind of about that. And then I just wanted to remind you about like ephemera type stuff, because Henry needed a new pair of pajamas because he had this, he either sleeps in like his athletic shorts or whatever, but he had a pair of Minecraft pajamas that were his favorite, and then he kind of grew out of them because he's just growing like a weed. He's so tall. He's going into 3rd grade. And I loved this little parakeet sticker. These were from Anne, and they are something she, got somewhere cool, no doubt. But they just make me laugh so hard. It's like the parakeet doing funny things. Oh my God, I just love it. Like, it's hilarious. And so I loved this parakeet, like sitting up in bed because his hair's sticking up, and that is exactly what Henry's hair does. It reminded me so much of him that I just couldn't help it. And these little socks. And then this was like a basket. I don't know what it is. It reminded me of a shopping basket, but that might not be what it is. So, and then other stickers. So I put the tag to his pajamas in here because it made me laugh because he's kind of in those sizes where they don't really make funny pajamas for his size anymore, because I think they probably feel like the kids are growing out of that and they don't want them. But these were like the last, Cat and Jack size, and it was the Triceratops pajamas. And on them they say, "You can do it if you just try," like Triceratops. And it was just really funny, and it just made me kind of sad. It made me wistful, I guess, because I loved this parakeet sitting down, like eating a bag of potato chips, because that reminded me of Henry. And then this one holding a briefcase, because I just feel like he's growing up so fast. And then, he's like in this large size of Cat and Jack. And then these sticker flakes are from Anne, and they're really cool. Obviously they're from Japan, and they're awesome. They're just like these people. And I just loved this little like guy one. Just reminded me of Henry, like, like a boy growing up And he's just like, ugh. You know, he's just kind of like doesn't know what to do with himself. It just reminded me of Henry. I don't know why, but I loved that. So I put that on the back of the Cat and Jack tag. And then just some more, you know, like journaling about the day. And we had gotten new office furniture for Michael's office because he kind of outgrew his office. And like he just needed more storage space and stuff. So we found a cool like desk and filing cabinet set at Office Depot. And the kids like helped put that together, so they had fun. So basically I'm just trying to remind you of things you might not have thought of. Of course, washi tape, stickers. These are the Maste. Is it MT or Marks? What is it? These are the Maste. I got from, I think these are from Jet Pens, these date washies. I just stick them on like every page. And Hong and Ding. And we had went over to a friend's house to play on Thursday, and her little friend made Addie this best friend award. And it was like she took a can and she wrapped foil around it and then colored some things and taped it to it, and then she wrote best friend award. And I just thought it was the cutest thing. Addie just loved it. And so I took a picture of that, and then I took a picture of them, you know, playing friends. That was our friend day. And then I actually went out to dinner with one of my best longtime friends that night. And so I just thought this was so appropriate. And then I loved this quote that I found. It says, "A friend is one who overlooks your broken fence and admires the flowers in your garden." I just loved that. Because, you know, that's what your longtime friends do. They don't care about your flaws. They will help you see the good in things, and just, I just love it. So, and then, you know, pictures of our play, you know, they just dress up, and I put some of my Star and Luna stickers in here because they were just so cute. I wanted to put them in my journal. And then more stickers and stamps. So my sprocket is definitely a staple in my journaling. I use it a lot. And I would highly recommend something like that, either a sprocket, or I know there's a ton of different brands, but then I like to write. I've been using these list stickers, kind of like jotting down things that I need to get done in a day, or that I did get done in a day. Some of these quote stickers, and just my feelings about working this weekend, and then some of my pig and cat stickers. And then today, before I get ready for work, we've just been hanging out because it's just a slow morning. I wanted to rest because my weekend to work, I work Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But so I just had stuck some stickers in here, things I needed to remind myself to do. This was collage. I love to use collage pieces. And then these were sticker flakes. There was a couple more sets. Like this set was another, like, it's kind of more like little kid ones almost. And I thought those were adorable. Let's see. These Sumiko Garashi stickers. Stuck some of those in there. Those are so cute. And I love this girl sitting on a washer, like it's a dryer or washer. That's basically the weekend. And then Henry was playing, and I was, I don't know, doing something. And he said, "Mommy, will you snuggle with me in my bed?" And I just, of course I will. He's gonna be 9. If you want me to snuggle with you in your bed, we will go snuggle in your bed. And I just loved it. And he had these he's had these dinosaur cards, flashcards, since he was little, because he was obsessed with dinosaurs. And I asked him if I could have the Triceratops one because he was wearing his new Triceratops pajamas. And I don't know why, Triceratops just reminds me of Henry, because it's just a kind, friendly, maybe it's not a friendly dinosaur, I don't know, but he just seems friendly. And so I wanted to put it in my journal, and then I wanted to use it as a tip-in to put a picture of us snuggling. And I guess that's what I love about my sprocket, is that these pictures that I don't have a reason to get off my phone would otherwise just sit on my phone for eternity and nothing would get done with them. And these are the pictures that I want. I don't care about staged family pictures. That's never been a priority of mine. I know they look nice, but that's not my priority. My priority is pictures like this, pictures of our actual life and moments like this that I don't want to forget. And so when I have my sprocket, I print those pictures, and so they don't get forgotten about and lost. So I guess that's why I love it so much, is otherwise I probably wouldn't go out of my way to print, random pictures that we take, but that's a memory that I won't forget. Mommy, will you snuggle with me in my bed? And then stamps. I stamped this H stamp on there, and I just used it as a tip-in. And on Sunday, I kind of went over onto the next day because then Addie wanted in on the fun, so we were doing a tickle witch fight in her bed, and she just, to hear her giggle and laugh is just the end all be all. It's so precious. Like I said, something I want to remember. I don't need coiffed pictures of my family staring at a camera. I want these pictures. So that's why I printed that one. And I love this quote I found on Pinterest. And I printed it on my sprocket too, because I just liked the way that the typewriter font, I mean, I could have wrote it out and like did some script or whatever, but I just loved the way the typewriter font looked. So I stuck that in there, and then I stamped, and there's some more stickers, and then there's a little bit of room for journaling about the few things I get done tomorrow before I go to work. I need to get in a long run, and I'm really hoping it's more successful than last week, so we'll see. But yeah, I just wanted to check in, guys, and remind you of things that maybe you had forgotten, like collage and watercolor and paints and your fineliners, stamping, stenciling, using scraps of old scrapbook paper for tip-ins in your journal, using your washi tape, using things that you might have from your planner, like leftover planner stickers. Those are always fun, especially if it's a collection that you really love, like Shine Sticker Studio. I love those stickers, so I wanted to have them in my journal too. So stuff like that. And then what else? I feel like I've been putting in here. Oh, you know what I haven't stuck in here for a while is fabric. I love sticking in pieces of fabric. This is from leftover quilts that my mom made. I love this, and I might actually stick this in here because Addie's favorite color is purple, so maybe I'll put in a little bit of that. And another thing that I absolutely love using is ribbon. Stuff like that. You can glue ribbon to your page, and that is super cute, and it just adds more texture and more, more interest. Something different, and I'm obsessed, you guys. I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh, I have more sticker flakes in here. Garanian. I need to reload this thing desperately and take it upstairs so that I can use it up there as well. I need to get, oh, you know what I can use? Ooh, I can use my little glue runner. This is what we're going to do. Some of your ribbons that you have. I really like this one, but it's not very wide. I don't know if it'll cover the glue. Yeah, it kind of does. So I just ran my glue runner, tape runner down there, and now it's stuck on there. And now I've got a cool, different something on there, you know? Love that. Love that, love that, love that. And then, let's see. And then I love to have, like, I should have made a little tail poking out. That's what I should have done. Maybe I'll do another one. I'll layer them, because this is such pretty ribbons. do this lacy one. The flowers. I've just got kind of a garden-y theme going on here lately. Let's have it stick out a little bit from the top. I love it when things stick out of my journal, or it's just like interest that it adds, and you're like, ooh, what's that? You know, and I might fold that over so it's like a little tabby thing. Just like that. Perfect. And then it's like a little something poking out that is just kind of fun and interesting. And let's see what we can do with this little fabric. I just love it. So cute. Just put a strip in there. I'm sorry if you guys think this is kind of pointless. I thought I'd hop on and share a little something. We'll put that in there. Then I can still journal underneath that. I can just kind of tip it up. And then what I can do is fold it over like this. So it kind of makes another little flappy. They're almost like tabs, which I think is so cool. Like, doesn't that just add something really neat and fun? And it's just more layers that you can lift up and look behind and see what's in there. So I hope that this sparked some thoughts for you guys in your journal this weekend. I will be back. Sorry, my work weekend is just a busy weekend, but I miss not being on here with you guys, so I thought I'd share this. So just look around your craft space or your kids' bedrooms, things that remind you of them, and remember all the things that you could stick in there, because this is a little memory that that brings back feelings for me. That's
all the feelings, you guys. I'm having feelings.
So I hope that you guys had fun, and I will be back again with you shortly. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.